Fingers from Ephraim G.
I was doing fine until the day I met you. Tried my best to rise aside. Jeez, you look so good. Any girl would have looked twice. So I'm thinking more. It's better when you said that you would like to know me more. But you didn't push further, you just let me do the talks. Guess you feel better when you make me look so dumb. Wish you knew the goodness I had in mind for us. Had I didn't make the first approach, would have been so lost when my friends told me to talk to you. But I was having a cold feet, 'cause I'm afraid of the roller coaster. But since you do have ecstasy,
Fingers from Ephraim G.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stream Before the Dawn on all streaming platforms and use the sound, show your support. I hope you enjoyed the song as much as I did. I love you guys. See ya.